Here this afternoon, Salsa Railroad. This is the other side of the house. Okay, here you go. That's the retaining wall that I've done to keep the level of the train. Here's where we're going. I'll do an aerial. So there you go. Guy came and cut our grass yesterday, but he didn't finish. We got rained on. So it's coming along. There you have it. Thought I'd show y'all some progress here at Salsa Railroad. Oh, we got some animals that we just got. Gonna be on the train. One of our rabbits died, so we got him a statue. Buried him here, actually, in the front. Didn't want to bury him in the backyard with the dogs. There's the yard looks a little rough. He just weeded it and didn't clean it up. So these are all for my grandchildren. So used to have a Jesus in the back. I think the dogs or one of my grandkids broke it. I like the statue at Rio de Janeiro, so I'm gonna get something similar to that again. Talk to y'all later. Bye.